The topic in this video is else if ladder. Already in the previous video we have seen nested if. So that extension of nested if is else if ladder. So if you have more than one nested if, right? If then nested if is there, again it's nesting if is there, then it can be easily framed like a else if ladder. That is very easy for writing. Otherwise, too many nested if will create confusion for a programmer and even the code will not be easily readable. So let us see how you can frame else if ladder for nested if. So here is the skeleton given here. Let us see this. This is if condition. If true, then these are the flower brackets. Something, whatever has to be executed, it should be here. Then else. This is the else of this if. Else. And inside this else, again there is if statement. So when you have if, the very first statement is if. I said that you can write it here also. So actually this is else separate, if separate, right? So instead of writing it as nested, I have written it along with else. So yes, you can write like this. So that's it. This is called as else if ladder. Then if, this is the block, right? And for this if, this is the else. Yes, this is what you should know. Then this if, this is the else. So this else belongs to last if. So if I show the skeleton for this one, it looks like this. If, right, just a rough sketch I am giving you. Then inside that else is there. This is else, right? Then again if is there. Again if is there. Then for it, else is there. I'm not writing it properly, just giving you the skeleton, right? Then inside this again if is there. If is there. And its own else is there. So this is how the body. So this is if, inside else, again if else is there. Inside else, again if else is there. So if you write like this, it looks very congested. So this is better. This looks like a ladder. So from here we can climb down, 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 down. So that's why it is called as a else if ladder. Now let us write a program using this else if ladder. So what is the program? I'll explain you. The problem is we will take a day number and we'll display day name. We'll take a day number and display day name. Means if day number is 1, then we will say first day of a week is Sunday, right? So Sunday. If it is 2, we will say Tuesday. If it is 3, we will say Wednesday. Like that, I will write on the program code. So for that, already I have main function written here. Day variable is already there. Enter day number is there. Then reading day. Now here, I will write on conditional statement. So I'll remove this and write on. If day is equals to 1, this has to be is exactly equal to 1. So equal to symbol is used. Then here I will say see out Monday. So in short I will write month. And here and L means go to the next line. So if at all you require, you can write that and L. Otherwise you can skip it. We are going to just display one day, right? Not all days. Then if day is not 1, else. Then what? Again if. If day is equal to 2, then here I will print it is Tuesday. So just I will write Tuesday. That's all. And if you want, you can write down for a new line. Then if it is not a 2 also, then else. If day is equal to 3, then here see out Wednesday. Like this, we can go on writing. At last, we can write one else. So suppose this is continued and at last else. Now for 1 through 7, I'll be writing the cases. Else we can say invalid day number. At last, see this is the, I am writing continuation part. So continue. For 3 I have written 4, 5, 6, 7. All you have to write on. Then after that, see out invalid day. So this is the program. Now one important thing. How it works, that we have to understand. So that will help us to understand the next topic. How it works. Let us see. If I give a day number 1, so it will come here and check it is day is 1. Yes, true. So it will print Monday. So it will not go into this else. Means it will not enter into all these things. Because this is the outermost else. All these things are inside this else, right? So it will not enter inside. So just check this one. It is true. That is enough. Next, if you give the number as 3, then listen carefully. It will check first. Here you have given 3, right? 3. Next line. Is it 3? No. Go to else. Is it 3? No. Go to else. Is it 3? Yes, 3. So it will print Wednesday. Then after that it will not go into remaining else part. So how many ifs it has checked? 1, 2, 3. So after checking 3 if conditional statements, we have found out that it's Wednesday. So work is more, right? So it should directly go to 3 and say Wednesday. No, it will not go directly there. It will check this one and this one and this one. It means if I give day number as 7, yes, it will check all 7 conditions. If I give invalid number, then after checking 7 conditions, it will say invalid number. So this is too much. It has to compare a lot of conditions. Yes, in this else if ladder, it has to check all the conditions if your condition is lying at the last. So if I say how much time it takes, means number of comparisons. If your number is bigger, then more conditions will be checked. If you give smaller day number, then few conditions will be checked, less conditions will be checked. All right. So this is how we have studied about it. Okay. So we have seen how it works. So from this we can understand the number of comparisons are dependent on the value that you're giving. Right. So that's all in this topic. So you can write on this program and you can test it. So already there is a demo available and also coding exercise is there for this one, So you have to write on these conditional statements, okay? These conditional statement, if all these things. So the same thing you can practice it in coding exercise. And apart from this, for other things are also given. So you read question and you read the description of an exercise. You can easily understand it and you solve that one also. So that will give you confidence of writing your own code. And for the same, you can write on the program by yourself also. All right. Then in the next video, in the next topic, we will find how is it possible to directly go on day number 3 without checking these 2 and directly going on day number 4 without checking all other conditions. So we will see that. We will see a faster method in the coming topic. That's all in this video.